welcome. We're going to be doing a unit today. It is right now it's 9:32. I want to get it up out the way because I understand that these things take a while. So let me get started. Um, Hold on. So what I'm gonna do the haircut. I'll let you all see that. Let me spray this. Let's start with the shade far first. Then I'm gonna do the haircut. Okay. You all, in this previous video, I forgot to apply the alcohol. The scalp already been washed and dried. I just forgot to apply the alcohol after I finished shaving. You want to always do that because it prevents bumps. And then sometimes when I be taking my unit off, I'll be feeling a little bit of bumps. Okay, finna do the haircut part. Other than that, everything was good. I did this because I forgot because I was on time, and by me being on time, I'm trying to do what I can within those 3 hours, and I forgot alcohol. So this do take 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours max. Pretty much you got to know what you want. You got to just do it. Haircut done. I think I need this right now. Okay. The next step is going to be applying the glue and drying it. So let's do that. I got my popsicle stick. I got also a new one as well. Hopefully today go well. We're going to be doing a wave unit this today. It hopefully go well. I got my glue. This is all the glue I have here. Let me get my other glue. Hold on. Okay, I got my other glue just in case I run out. Okay, we're going to just start applying the glue. Pretty much I already know where my hairline going to be at. I'm not going to put it on my forehead. Put it on my hairline. Just going to be right here. I'm going to do 2 layers. And then I'm going to get out this bathroom because it's very hot. We're not going to make the same mistakes like last week. So okay, that's one layer of glue. Get your popsicle stick, and we're gonna just spread it like butter. I come back when it's dry. I'll come back when it's dry, y'all. You gonna let this glue dry, and once it's dry, I'll put another layer. It's too hot in this bathroom, so I had to do it this way. You all, I'm back. That did dry pretty fast. You're gonna put another layer. Okay. You're gonna spread it like butter again. Remember, you can add how many layers you want. As long as it's dry, it should be good. This going to be the base of this unit. If this part is wrong, the whole unit gonna be wrong. So make sure you add enough glue. Make sure there's not no heat. Be careful with dryers because yeah, they could do that. Be careful. So I'm gonna just let it air dry, and I come back to you all when it's dry. We can do another layer. And y'all keep y'all some glue at hand. If you're doing this, and this is something you want to be doing, keep you some glue because you can run out of it. You want it to stick. That's why you add a lot. Make sure you add a lot on the side too. And most guys, this is gonna be every week.
every once or twice a week, however long you can last your unit. Make sure you put enough glue places where you don't have to come back. Cause I know I usually be coming back. Cause I ain't add enough glue in certain areas. Make sure. Okay, once you done that, we're not doing the blow dryer. Because the blow dryer seems like once you start blow drying it, it take a long time. It's a long time to dry. When then I get the sweating, and when you start sweating, it's over. So this is definitely going smooth. This bathroom is already hot as it is. And you start blow drying it, and the bathroom hot, and I'm standing here doing that. That's not good. So I'm keep doing what I'm doing. It seems like it's working. So I'll be back when this dries. I'll be back when this dries. Hello, you all. I'm gonna apply another layer. This is the third layer. It's coming out really good. We want it to stick, so that's why I want to apply another layer. This is 3 layers. So, my bad. Let me get my mirror. Hold on. Okay, finna do another layer. Hello, I'm back. Now we going to attempt again, because we're not going to give up. We're going to attempt to apply the hair. The glue is tacky, and today we'll be using this stuff do take time now, and no rush. I went out and got this hair. This hair seemed like this. It may work or it may not. We don't know, but we'll see. So I'm gonna just start cutting it, and I'm going to see if I can lay it down. See, okay, we're gonna just apply this hair. If not, we ain't gonna give up though. Oh, oh, okay, okay. It's sticking. Okay, we gotta work. We gotta work quick. Okay, it's sticking. Remember, you gotta work kind of quick because it's hot in this bathroom, and it will it will start to unstick. You gotta work kind of quick. Okay, y'all. Mm, Okay, seems like. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry, and I'll be back. Well, everything seems like it's okay. We ain't gonna speak too soon. So now I'm gonna just cut it down. Just get to it. And we're going to style it, and that'll be that. You don't want to be in this bathroom all day long. So let me take this off. Y'all, the sound came off because my mic died. So I had to figure that out
Sorry
to get a
about
new
that. I had to
mic.
change my mic.
So that's what that
Oh
is.
shit.
And then I walk in my room.
Okay.
So I'm editing. I'm
That
still
hurt.
editing. I gotta edit this part out. Sorry, you all. Changed my mic and it's hot in here. So I gotta get this thing done. Well, with this, you gotta work. You working with time. Okay, I am back. I'm just apply this hair. So y'all, I'm back. All we gotta do is just continue. We on point. We just gotta continue. My leg is hurting bad. My muscle sore is crazy. But we gonna just stay focused. Here, all in my thing. We gotta add more hair, we'll add more hair. But right now, we just focus on cutting. Keep on top of our head. That's what we're gonna do here. It seems like everything dry. So let's cut this. Y'all have no shirt on. Okay, y'all. This is the inhale lift. I'm just going to fill spots in. Just fill it in. good. It looks good. The edges, you don't need less edges. Okay. Oh, that's good. So y'all, the unit is finished. This is the finished process. I'll show you all. This is the back. This is the side. This other side. I like how it came out. Nothing else needs to be done. Just tie it down at night. So it look like I have curly hair too on top. So the thicker you put it on, the more I can cut it down as much as I want. And it'll look like I have curly hair too. And that actually look good. That actually look good. You know? I don't have to cut it all the way down. It looked like I have waves for real. And it looked natural. So y'all, this was not a fail this time. This actually was a good one. We didn't fail. Just tie it down at night. And definitely mess it up. It's pretty good. Okay, y'all. Everything is done. This is a full process. It took me 3 hours. 3 hours, y'all. 3 hours doing this. I like it. So I ain't had to redo all it because I ain't had to put more hair and put a lot more glue and put more hair. I ain't had to do none of that. That takes time. That takes a lot in this stuff. And I had stayed in the bathroom for a long time. That definitely want to make it more sweaty and it won't stick. So I did it within time, and I used wisdom this time when I was doing this. So it came out really good. I like it. And that's that. Thank you all for watching. You can take a baby wipe. You can get like the edges, like the rest of the hair, like fiber. You definitely want to have fiber around. You got fiber on to fill in the little gaps. And it's going to help out the whole overdue. This could last for 2 weeks now, and I like the wave look. I see y'all on the next one. Bye for now. Dog, let's look at this again. Turn around, side. And almost like I got curly hair too. So I guess this was a success. I'm ready for a wedding. I'm ready to go to get, some pictures taken, all of that good stuff. It looks really good. It looks so natural. It looks natural. So you all remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Like what I'm doing. We had to go through a whole lot of trying and errors and all that stuff because I got the real hair. I got this hair, and this hair more for this type of style. So we ain't gonna waste this hair. We're gonna reuse it when I need to use it again. So I'm gonna put it like in a bag or something. And make sure you all always have fiber on hand. I got a little more fiber left. I got about more fiber. And make sure you have glue. Glue keep you a glue stick. Keep you glue around. But the haircut is finished. And all I do right now is just clean up. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.